Hi there from agingparents.com. I'm Carolyn Rosenblatt, RN and elder law attorney. My book, The Family Guide to Aging Parents, Answers to Your Legal, Financial, and Healthcare Questions, will help you with your aging loved ones. Now, just in case you're super busy, I'm providing quick chapter previews for you to save you time and help you decide if you want to get the book to read when you do have time. This preview is for Chapter 6, Taking Your Aging Parent into Your Home. This is the shortest chapter in the book, and that's not because it's a simple subject. It's because the situation of whether to move in with an aging parent or have them move in with you could be a book in itself, and I just want to give you a brief overview of what other people are doing with this issue. Every family has its own way of working out the care of an aging loved one. There are certainly pros and cons about having an aging relative in your home. Everyone who does this has to make enormous adjustments in that home. The elder has to give up privacy and any degree of independence she once had because the time has come to accept help from family. The family has to make room, deal with an older person's needs, schedule, and preferences, and they may not match what other family members do and want. To make it work successfully, the first thing to do is talk about the idea with other family members. That means your siblings, your spouse or partner, your kids, everyone who will be involved. Everyone needs to weigh in so you can address their responses in advance, rather than plunking Grandma down in the living room and telling everyone later, well, she's staying. Taking an aging parent in when the dominant culture in our country is not necessarily primed to do this can put, well, quite a strain on relationships. It may not be expected in advance the way it is in some cultures. Marriages can suffer. Kids feel put upon. All kinds of issues can come up. And some people work it out quite well and are glad they have that arrangement. There are benefits to caring for your own family member, even when it's a lot of work. If you do talk it out with your family members, it's good to write down who's going to be responsible for what, so that the work is spread around and things are fair. That can save untold aggravation and family fights later on. Now, there are examples of how various families have done this. In one household, there are 4 generations. In another family, the grandmother stays a few months with one family and then rotates to the other sibling's home, and so on. And that works too. Some families take the aging parent in and may modify the home to accommodate him. Others, who can't afford expensive additions, just move family members around and make room in the house for the aging loved one. The most important takeaway from this chapter is to plan ahead and figure out which family members can help if your aging parent can no longer live alone. Your loved one's opinion must be respected, but if her judgment is damaged by anything, such as dementia or other illness that affects thinking, you may need to make the decision for her. It always helps when you're trying to solve a problem to learn what other people have done. You can learn from their successes as well as their mistakes. Get your full copy today of The Family Guide to Aging Parents, Answers to Your Legal, Healthcare, and Financial Questions by clicking here. I'm the author Carolyn Rosenblatt. Thanks for listening to the preview of Chapter 6. Oh, and P.S. I invite you to sign up for our regular weekly letter with lots of free tips, legal information, and helpful case stories we can share with you. They'll help you every time you read the letter, and you'll learn a lot. Sign up here. Bye-bye now.